In this lesson, we're going to go more in depth with variables and the way we understand them. We have discussed previously the importance of defining variables. When we are defining variables, we are not just doing it because we want to have the documentation of what we are telling the variables to be. We are optimizing the runtime of our code, as different data types are processed differently and have different size when they are run through VBA. Think of data types as tools. There are many different types of tools, and there are some that can do multiple functions. However, there's always a best tool for a certain type of action, and that is exactly the case regarding data types. What we are doing then can be understood as telling our code what the best tools are to use for the upcoming job at hand. That way it can be as efficient as possible when it is doing our job. Let's take a look at this table of defining a handful of different data types and how we can define them. The variable type is on the left, the formatting for how one defines the variable, and the right is an example. I won't go over every single one, as you can explore each of these variable and data types on your own time. However, we will take a look at the dim and redim structure that we can see in a handful of the formats in our table. The redim function allows us to redefine a variable. What this means is that you have already assigned an array a range, and you can then redefine the size of your array. Redim allows you to reorient your array in case it needs to change. The last topic we will discuss regarding variables is where we choose to define them. It is important to understand that you can define your variables throughout your entire code except for after the variable has been assigned a value. You will encounter the compile error, variable not defined. However, it is considered general best practice to place all of your variable definitions at the very top of your modules. This makes your code to be more readable, as well as the flexibility of adding and subtracting variables as your code develops.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.